Hot on the heels of last month's IS500F Sport Performance World Premiere, Lexus is proud to unveil the 2022 IS500F Sport Performance Launch Edition. Only 500 serialized vehicles will be produced, and it will be sold exclusively in North America. The IS500 Launch Edition will be powered by the same naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine introduced in the standard IS500. Generating 472 HP at 7,100 RPM and 395 pound-ft of peak torque at 4,800 RPM, this engine offers the linear acceleration and V8 muscle that driving enthusiasts crave. However, buyers that desire additional distinction will find numerous interior and exterior enhancements in the IS500 Launch Edition. Standing apart from the standard IS500, the 2022 IS500 Launch Edition interior builds upon Takumi craftsmanship with elevated interior materials, including sporty two-tone black and gray ultrasuede trimmed front and rear seats, door accents, and center console. Additionally, the heated leather-wrapped steering wheel receives unique silver, ashwood treatment with black F-Sport performance badging, and the interior will be appointed with a serialized Launch Edition badge to further highlight the vehicle's exclusivity. Moreover, the F-Sport combination instrumentation meter has been updated with an exclusive Launch Edition startup animation to further set this model apart from the standard IS500. Outside, the IS500 Launch Edition is sure to turn heads with standard 19-inch split 7-spoke forged alloy matte black BBS wheels from the IS F-Sport Dynamic Handling Package. Not only are they impressive looking, the 19-inch BBS wheels are approximately 4 pounds lighter per wheel compared to the standard 19-inch IS F-Sport wheel. The vehicle will be sold exclusively in Incognito, an all-new color for the Lexus lineup. More information regarding MSRP and available options will be made available closer to launch. The 2022 IS500F Sport Performance and IS500F Sport Performance Launch Edition are expected to arrive in dealerships later this fall. Lexus' passion for brave design, imaginative technology, and exhilarating performance enables the luxury lifestyle brand to create amazing experiences for its guests. Lexus began its journey in 1989 with 2 luxury sedans and a commitment to pursue perfection. Since then, Lexus has developed its lineup to meet the needs of global luxury customers in more than 90 countries. In the United States, Lexus vehicles are sold through 243 dealers offering a full lineup of luxury vehicles. With 6 models incorporating Lexus Hybrid Drive, Lexus is the luxury hybrid leader. Lexus also offers 6 F-Sport models, 1 F-Sport Performance model, and 1 F model. Lexus is committed to being a visionary brand that anticipates the future for luxury customers. Last year's reimagined front-engine rear-wheel drive IS struck the perfect balance of sportiness and sophistication, making it the best IS to date. However, Chief Engineer Naoki Kobayashi and his team at Lexus International have been working on something truly special exclusively for the North American market. Enter the first-ever Lexus IS500F Sport Performance, which dials up the sports sedan formula to 11 with the addition of a powerful 472 horsepower naturally aspirated V8 engine and ferocious quad exhaust system. It expands the IS family and ushers in a new era of F-Sport performance models that will appeal to passionate driving enthusiasts that crave higher levels of performance over the standard F-Sport models. A rare breed, Lexus F-Sport Performance line. As the first model in the new Lexus F-Sport Performance line, the IS500 engine provides a boost in displacement and performance over the IS350's 3.5-liter V6. With a push of the engine start button, its naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine roars to life, providing a not-so-subtle reminder that something special lies beneath its raised hood. The IS500 has a maximum output of 472 HP at 7,100 RPM and 395 pound-ft, of peak torque at 4,800 rpm. Despite the drastically more powerful engine, the vehicle tips the scales at 3,891 pounds, gaining only 143 pounds of additional curb weight over the standard IS350F Sport. The IS500 is capable of delivering a 0 to 60 mph time of 4.5 seconds and has a manufacturer-estimated 24 mpg highway rating. Other IS500 performance enhancements include a throaty quad exhaust system with dual-stack tail pipes that perfectly amplify the new V8 engine. This exhaust not only sounds ferocious, but is inspired by F models, like the RCF. IS500 uses the same 8-speed sport direct-shift automatic transmission with lock-up torque converter found in the RCF. It also features drive mode Select Sport S and Sport S Plus found in the IS350F Sport, which provides advanced engine and transmission mapping to enhance performance. In addition, Sport S Plus adjusts the amount of EPS steering assist and damping force to deliver sportier handling to match the updated powertrain settings. Custom mode is also available, offering multiple combinations for powertrain, normal/eco/power, chassis, normal/sport, and air conditioner, normal/eco. Starting with the 2022 IS500, Lexus F Sport Performance models will come adorned with unique black badging on the sides to distinguish it from F Sport models. Building on Lexus' driving signature. The new 2021 IS launched an era of vehicles developed at Toyota Technical Center Shimoyama, with a uniform Lexus driving signature. Since Lexus launched, the tactile feel, behavior, and execution for each model has been driven by the vision and efforts of the chief engineer. Moving forward, the efforts of the CE will be focused on elevating the vehicles to a new standard of performance and handling as developed by Lexus International President and Chief Branding Officer Koji Sato and Master Driver and Brand Holder Akio Toyoda. The ultimate goal is to deliver a new generation of Lexus vehicles that is more balanced, refined in control, and confident than ever before. Linear steering, brake responses, and optimized handling with exceptional ride quality is the result of heightened focus on tuning of the chassis and its interactions with the control surfaces through diligent evaluation at a test facility unlike any other. The all-new IS500 builds on the improvements made to the 2021 IS with a focus on delivering confidence and a linear connection between driver and vehicle. The IS500 will come standard with the IS-RWD F Sports Dynamic Handling Package, DHP, which includes adaptive variable suspension, AVS, and a torsion limited slip differential, LSD, that improves handling and performance thanks to enhanced traction when cornering or exiting turns. The LSD helps maintain straight-line stability as well. Engineers have also improved the IS chassis performance with the addition of a Yamaha rear performance damper. This damper reduces dynamic structural distortion, delivering increased comfort at low speeds, and additional stability and agility at high speeds. Brake cooling enhancements have also been made over the standard IS350F Sport with additional aerodynamic cooling and larger 14.0-inch two-piece aluminum front rotors and 12.7-inch rear rotors. The devil's in the details. The IS500 features subtle exterior enhancements to help set it apart from the standard IS350F Sport. The hood has been raised nearly 2 inches and receives sculpted center character lines, while the front bumper and fenders have been lengthened to help accommodate the vehicle's naturally aspirated V8 muscle. IS500 will come standard with exclusive 19-inch split 10-spoke Enkei alloy wheels. Not only are they beautiful and intricate, the wheels are approximately 1 pound lighter per wheel in front and 2 pounds lighter per wheel in the rear, compared to the standard 19-inch F Sport wheel. Other exterior updates include a revised lower rear diffuser accent that accentuates the quad exhaust system, as well as dark chrome window trim. Tying these visual and performance cues together is the black ISF Sport rear lip spoiler. Inside, drivers are greeted with black F Sport Performance badging on the heated leather-wrapped steering wheel and door sill scuff plates. It also comes standard with the ISF Sport accelerator pedal, brake pedal and footrest, but the combination instrumentation meter receives an updated startup animation that is exclusive to IS 500. Enhanced Lexus Safety System Plus. The IS 500 inherits the updated Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 recently launched on the 2021 IS. A number of key features that are part of the Lexus Safety System Plus have been enhanced, along with the addition of a few new features. For starters, the pre-collision system, PCS, which include frontal collision warning, FCW, automatic emergency braking, AEB, pedestrian detection, and bicyclist detection, features an enhancement to the lens camera and millimeter wave radar elements to expand the response range. By enhancing the radar and camera capabilities, it is now possible for the system to help detect not only the vehicle ahead, but also a preceding bicyclist in daytime and even a preceding pedestrian in daytime and low-light conditions. At intersections, the system has the capability under certain conditions to recognize an oncoming vehicle or pedestrian when performing a left-hand turn, and is designed to activate typical PCS functions if needed. Additional PCS functions include Emergency Steering Assist, ESA, which is designed to assist steering within the vehicle's lane as cued by the driver. All-Speed Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, DRCC, can be activated above 30 miles per hour and is designed to perform vehicle-to-vehicle distance controls down to 0 miles per hour and can resume from a stop. DRCC also includes a new feature that allows for smooth overtaking of slower vehicles. If traveling behind a vehicle going slower than the preset speed, once the driver engages the turn signal, the system will provide an initial increase in acceleration in preparation for changing lanes and, after the driver changes lanes, the vehicle will continue acceleration until it reaches the original preset driving speed. Lane Departure Alert with Steering Assist, LDA with SA, is designed to help notify the driver if it senses an inadvertent lane departure at speeds above 32 miles per hour. Viaduct Steering Wheel Vibrations Oregon Audible Alert. It can also take slight corrective measures to help keep the driver within the visibly marked lane. When DRCC is set and engaged, Lane Tracing Assist, LTA, is designed to provide slight steering force to help steer to the center of the lane to assist the driver with staying in the lane using visible lane markers or a preceding vehicle. LTA alerts the driver with a visual warning and either an audible alert or steering wheel vibration. In the new IS, the lane recognition performance, which makes LTA possible, has been improved with enhanced recognition of line and road edge, lateral G performance, and enhanced control and stability after lane change. Additional Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 features include Intelligent High Beams, which detects preceding or oncoming vehicles and automatically switches between high beam and low beam headlights. Road Sign Assist, RSA, is designed to acquire certain road sign information using a camera and navigation maps when data is available and displays them on the multi-information display, MID. Lexus Inform for safety and convenience. Lexus Inform Safety Connect comes with a 3-year trial, with access to Lexus Inform Response Centers 24/7/365. With Lexus Inform Service Connect, complimentary for the first 10 years, the vehicle can send alerts for specific factory-recommended maintenance while simultaneously alerting a preferred Lexus dealer. In addition, the Lexus app allows guests to do everything from starting their vehicle remotely with a smartphone, to contacting dealers for a service appointment, and much more. With an active subscription, the Lexus app dashboard provides a personalized view of convenient vehicle and connected service information, including the vehicle health report, scheduled maintenance, and vehicle health alerts. Guests also can manage their subscriptions right from the palm of their hand. More information regarding MSRP, options, exterior and interior color choices will be made available closer to launch. The all-new 2022 IS 500F Sport Performance is expected to arrive in dealerships later this fall. Lexus' passion for brave design, imaginative technology, and exhilarating performance enables the luxury lifestyle brand to create amazing experiences for its customers. Lexus began its journey in 1989 with 2 luxury sedans and a commitment to pursue perfection. Since then, Lexus has developed its lineup to meet the needs of global luxury customers in more than 90 countries. In the United States, Lexus vehicles are sold through 243 dealers offering a full lineup of luxury vehicles. With 6 models incorporating Lexus hybrid drive, Lexus is the luxury hybrid leader. Lexus also offers 8 F-Sport models, 1 F-Sport Performance model, and 2 F-Performance models. Lexus is committed to being a visionary brand that anticipates the future for luxury customers.